Oh dear, I'm so unorganized. Give me a second, people. I'm so sorry, I haven't even organized the stream. Oopsies, okay. I got distracted trying to find the fake Maya on Discord. I got full on distracted, but anyways. Anywho, it's fine. Blocked. I don't think I blocked the fake Maya from the channel. I actually have no idea how to do that. Not great, but it's fine. Let's do this. That one's up and running. That can shrinky bye bye. This one is now up and running. Okie dokie. One thing at a time. I see that we actually got some, again, naturally, after I left. Literally, after I left. Got decent move. This Maya effect really is starting to feel personal. I'm just saying, this Maya effect is starting to feel personal. Hello, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? Are you doing amazing? I hope so. That was solid. A nice W. Let's see what we get. Hey, Rob, what's up? How's it going? Hello, I cannot complain. How have you been? I wanted to do something. Oh, that's what I have to do. Like I said, I got very distracted. But we're good to go now. We good to go. There we go. The hangover you are feeling, Louis. Explain. Anywho, let's do this thing. Hey Atlanta, what's up? Okay. We are ready, steady to go. Ironically, I'm starting to take this personal. I'm really starting to take this personally. Literally, as I left, this thing would have gone and been a winner, and then again, this thing would have gone. Rude. Just rude. I'm tired, so I maybe do absolutely nothing. Atlanta, that's maybe not a bad idea. Hey, live sound, a little one. A little one. I was a little bit cheeky. But the higher probability stated that it would take out the highs. So if I had left my TP where it should have been, it would have been a full TP, but I pushed it a little bit to the highs. But I did trail up, so it was a little win, but I'll take it. Flying on bed, we'll start trading in an hour. Nice. Go have fun. And Yasin, heyo. How's it going? Like I said, this kind of sucks. Look, that would have worked out beautifully. It just left without me. It left without me. Atlanta, weren't you here for it? No? That's okay. Here we go.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Hope everybody's doing amazing. 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 Here's London High. Okay, there's midnight. I'm through. Just went for the freaking lows, so much for me thinking that the bulls were gonna come play. Now the big question is, Is New York gonna be a reversal or continuation? I think you go up and winners win. We'll take the green. Well done. That's part that can only be decided by you and not the mechanical. True. Are we going to buy today? Lego? I don't know. Let's see. That's, yeah, I'm trying to decide. Is this just going to be continuation, or do you think we're actually going to have a reversal during New York? So, Life Sound... After the 13th of April, I probably can. Let's say that. So I normally haven't because I've been going to the stables at that time. That's kind of like my touch grass time. But on the 13th, when the horses are going up, I'm going to obviously have that time. So then I might be able to. So let's see if it continues to act like that. Because that type of price action you low-key expect to see from Open, right? Apparently Open is giving all of us the middle finger, and the later PM sessions are being nice. Selling now because I'm stupid like that. Crypto Cuban? A red day? What happened, Crypto Cuban? Considered yet? Hey yo, what's up? How you doing? But we still have a few minutes. Let's do another quick top to bottom analysis. Okay. Ooh. We have nearly filled the gap. Definitely tapped into the inverse fair value gap, so now the question is... Are we just going to keep going down? We're going to have a little bit of a retest. So we took out the lows. Okay, so this is kind of at a deciding point right now. The 4 hour. The Maya effect does not exist, but the market is a foul mistress sometimes. You know what you said? What? Life Sound? How hilarious, sad, but hilarious would it be if I then was like, okay, and I changed hours, and then the opening sessions were banger again. I will be so angry. It won't even be fun. I'll be like, you know what? Screw this. 2 bad trades for today and I'm done for the day. Oh, good, but good idea. Well done. Well done for staying disciplined. That's always the hardest part, right? To not revenge trade. Let's 5 minute highs in Asia. If we were hit down further, we are even the 1 hour gap that I think we could hit up from that 1 hour gap through Asia. Life Sound, like I said, on the daily, it's also hit an inverse fair value gap. So potentially. I think screw this, we just I guess buy also. It's okay, Louis. Okay, let's see. So this was the 4 hour. Let's check the 1 hour. I think screw this, and we just... So Mikuwabe, we just do a coin flip. Part of me wants to agree with you. Just be like, let's just do a coin flip. Let's see, bulls or bears. And then at open, just go for it. Hey, Bob. What's up? How you doing? Okay, so did properly tap into this fair value gap. Oh, this was the hourly fair value gap you're talking about, right? 15 minute. Okay. 5 minute. Okay. It low-key looks good for at least a little bit more of a flipping retracement back up, but you know, is that gonna happen? I spent most of yesterday kicking myself for making stupid decisions. Sometimes we just like dust ourselves off. I hear you. I do that often where I'm just like, that one's dumb. And on to the next. Flip the coin. So Gaurav, you think opening down and then sideways, don't be like that. Did you mute him for 24 hours? That's interesting. What is it? Bearable. Oh, if I have to flip a coin, shall we flip a coin? Shall we see? Wait, before I do, let me quickly just get all my tings back up. Do 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 do. Oh, I'm gonna want a block where it has the breaker structure. Okay. Bob, do you think that's gonna be the deciding point? I use a 50-cent coin. These things like aren't really used anymore. Okay. Heads or tails? I did not catch that at all. Oh gosh, let's try this again. Tails. So there it is. That was disgustingly bad. That was embarrassing. I should feel very embarrassed about that whole situation. Oh. Okay, well the coin said bearish. Basic time. Big Man Wonderland, what is this? Sorry, I'm just doom scrolling. Oh, we are just a bunch of traders that come and have fun together. Tails. Huh. Yeah. Study inverted head and shoulder. You need to ship that Josh Texas. Why? What do you want to see all the coins? This coin collection, I started doing, I don't even know why I have it. I started it when I was so young. So there actually might be some valuable coins in there. I have no idea. I know there's some euros in there. Where did they come from? I have not a cooking clue. 2 minutes to go. Yeah. You guys have fun. I'm out to focus, not doing any trading. Good idea. Yes, Atlanta, thank you. It took me a minute. I was like, was I supposed to send a link? And then I was like, oh no, wait, you sent me a link. My bad. Maybe. Did you see there was a moment of, okay. Okay, we have a minute to go before open. Uno momento. 30 seconds. I suspect. What did I just? That is amazing. I suspect it will be Bob level down today. We can call it Bob's betting. I love that so much. Good grief. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go.
Oh my gosh. Well, that coin was wrong. I hope no one was, trusting the coin because the coin called that oh so wrong. Oh my goodness. Okay, so inverse fair value gap and up and away it is apparently. Good grief. I don't know why I'm getting excited. There's still 25 seconds. I was about to be like, this is the 9:30 range. No, anything can happen. Back to midnight. This could genuinely be headed right back to midnight right now. Three, two, one. A little bit of a struggle bus to break above, but this is a nice little doji it's wanting to form here. They woke up and chose Violin's 100%. Look at her go. I said I'm done, but I'm back at. Oh my gosh. Considered yet, seriously. Louis says it's coming back down. Miguave is here spitting fat. We get a decent retest and then back up. This could be going up. I mean, with all this buy-side liquidity, or magnets, all of these magnets pulling it up for the buy, this could be headed up to what end though? And now we go back down. So much for that. I mean, we have midnight open, we have London high, and we have VWAP sitting above. So I wouldn't be surprised if we go up. Okay, now I'm done. Bob, you don't think so? You think this is just gonna keep going sideways? No ways. Okay. 9:33. Okay. Into here. Nope. Chopped until like 12 p.m. I think. Why? Oh, this morning's price action was so ding-dang boring. I wanted something good, and I mean, it opened nicely. We had a decent push, and now it's just like, meh. Interesting. I'm gonna keep an eye on this. Let's check the 5-minute. Sorry, I know I went very quiet there for a second. Oh, it would be nice to see it come and retest here. Oh, down we go. Whee! Good grief. I mean, just look how rubbish that open was. I mean, Miko wasn't terrible. Let's see. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong thing. That would do it. I'm busy clicking caps lock instead of shift. A 70-point open's not bad. Whoa. It's the 5-minute candle. Let's see if it comes back into here. Okay, I'm curious. Let's see what this does here. Cheers, Louie. Enjoy. No, everyone isn't a bad trade when the chat goes soft. I'll be honest, man, there's been no huge volume in the market this week on CBD. It's barely scraping 30k all week, true. I wonder if, like, all the sounds weird, but if all the big boys are on holiday. Okay, well, we do have a first presented that is now, well, presented itself. Ew, I feel like it's bad that I don't hate this trade, but before I get excited, let's just wait for confirmation that it's actually going to be moving in a certain direction. Especially last week compared to this week. No, that's valid. That is valid. My short position didn't hit TP and I'm in profit now. Oh! Considered it. Well done. Well done. Sure. Dun 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 dun. Sorry, I'm sorting. I'll fix that later. So it didn't come and tag in. Now we're just kind of running back down. Quite a nice entry for Bob to Bob there. Oh well. On that little bit of a retest. I've been open waiting on this retest to bull up. I hear that. Am I AI? What? Root, you know I'm not AI. Second person this week asking me. That respected the first presented real nice. Just Elon Musk created her. Wow. Wow. Just wow. I mean, I'll take it as a compliment, but still. Let's see if this gets a rejection off. Okay. My son, it's a bearish day from me here onwards. You know what I might need? Bob to give me some of his special sauce. Oh, McRobert, I'm still figuring it out. I mean, the sauce is just oh so good. I just need to figure out. I mean, I should have trusted it with this engulfing. That was actually the key. When it came back up, that should have been my entry to go. Get in on that little bit of a retest. I would have wanted to see it retest a little bit higher, but it was still pretty damn good. Little tap into that order block. But the secret sauce is just oh so nami nami. Just checking something out here. Shoot. Is this going bob to bob again? I was looking at this doji going, maybe. Oh my gosh. No ways. Let's see if this goes back up. You might be right, to be honest. Took an L on that retest, but we'll see what next. I mean, it's not over yet. The buyers might come to the party. I mean, that was quite a massive engulfing candle right there. Hey, Jonathan, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Are you good? Anyone that's just joined? Ooh, not that one. I nearly did that. That would not have. Yep. Anyone that's just joined?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
This goes back down and rejects. That's a pretty decent confirmation for Bob to Bob. Nah. Don't have that rejection yet. We have a little bit more of a rejection going on here. Wait a minute. Sorry guys, I'm very focused on what this is doing right now. I'm looking like a big old rejection candle. Demilola, what's up? How you doing? Demilola, what's up? How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Jonathan, yeah, I'm good. I'm good. I can't complain. I'm watching the chaos unfold slightly. Is there any news today? I forgot to check. Nah, it is struggle busing. It is definitely struggle busing. Okay, live sound, so that's about it. Oh shoot. If this does go bob to bob, I might kick myself. It should look like that. Interesting. The market's dancing to Amapiano today. I love it. Just seeing. Oh, telling me about the hours. The hours for tomorrow, guys. I will be here for the New York AM session. Obviously, London's closed, so I won't be here for London tomorrow, but I will be here for the New York AM session. Banana, liar, liar, pants on fire. I am calling you a liar, liar, pants on fire. That was a good confirmation for Bob's Bob. And now look at it go. The first Bob, an entry over here would have been good for it to go back down. This one, entry at the top of this doji. Okay, like I said, I'm still getting there. Oh, this starts going out. Wait. Shoot, that's more than I want to risk. But the Bulls could... London's closed tomorrow, Bob. Literally, London be closed tomorrow. Ain't no trading for anybody tomorrow. That was a banger, sure. Oh, it's right by VWAP and midnight. If this does start to push up this... Okay. Projection off of there. See if it projects off of the first presented. It is super quiet. Is everyone okay? It's the same that the New York PM session is closed tomorrow, Bob. I think only the New York AM session and I think Asia session. Is Asia session open tomorrow? I think Asia session's open tomorrow, but I'm not too sure. Who sent a message? Oh, I'm a bum. What's up? I don't know why, but okay. Moving on. OTT, what's up? We're all focused, that's why. Yeah, that's valid. I mean, there's so much buy-side liquidity. I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Let's see. If it goes up that high, like I said. Oh, but they are relatively quiet here. Breaks above properly. What's up, Wargaming? How you doing? But you can do, yeah, you can send message on Trading View. I didn't know that either, but you can. What, we want to see who it is? Who is this? I'm Bob on YouTube. No ways. Is that actually you? Is that actually you? Is this like a fake Bob? Is it fake? I can't tell now. Okay, well, we're doing this. Oh my gosh. Did you guys see what the description says? Sorry, I don't know if you guys saw. It's Bob! I thought this looked familiar. I was like, this KE5MQW looks familiar. So this is Bob from Teach My Trading. All of his level indicators are completely free. Because Bob is amazing. I mean, apart from the fact that he called me a bum, rude. But, but still. So if you want some secret sauce, Bob is a sweetie pie and is giving away secret sauce for free. Which is insane. So Mikuwave, I don't know if you're here still. Like I said, this has to push solidly. Okay. A little bit of a struggle bus right now. Good break above. Still a bit of a rejection. I've been trying to zoom in on your... Don't I do that all the time? I remember we were watching something. What was I watching? Okay. The only thing is that it did just happen to VWAP on ES, so let's see. No ways. Oh my gosh, what do I do? Oh my gosh. No! What just happened? You must be freaking kidding me. Oh, I'm gonna have a mini hissy fit. I am gonna have a hissy fit. I'm gonna have a hissy fit. Today is the day that I have a hissy fit. Oh, I'm gonna lose it. I am going to lose it. What the actual F just happened? No, no, no. I actually cannot believe that just happened. I am... Oh, I'm nearly about to swear. That is how pissed off I am right now. It just did it again. I cannot freaking believe it. Oh, they're about to get a freaking earful. Sorry, guys. Just give me a minute. Um, cool. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I don't get angry often. I'm a little bit pissed off right now. I'm not gonna lie. That was absolute BS. That now made me angry. It's fine. It's fine. And I'm actually gonna show this. Well, I mean, it's not fun. Don't get me wrong. I am very grumpy. But whatever. Let me finish this quickly. Cool. Cool. Anyways, anywho, we're gonna move on. Sorry guys, I haven't read any of your messages. I'm sorting out this email because I'm grumpy. Anyways, moving on. No, that was absolute BS. So, okay. What a good trade, and I was so happy with this trade. Oh, they better have a freaking good answer for me. And being able to get an entry because you broke. No, I am furious. I cannot believe that happened. So I'll tell you actually what happened. So yesterday, remember it kicked me out yesterday. Yesterday it said that my account was breached, and I was like, but it's not breached. I had $100 left actually, and it said breached. It just did the same thing, but I was in green, and now I would have been $100 up. I'm so angry. That was such a good trade. Oh my gosh. I actually can't believe that just happened. I'm really upset. Okay. This order was getting tagged in. Top one disconnected her from trading view. Yep. Okay. It's okay. I've told them, like, I have video footage. If you guys want to come and give me, like, I feel like they owe me the $100 and something after that. I know they won't, but I feel like I deserve. You know, on the plus side, my balance is up to 6.6, I guess. That's something. Oh, I was very mean. I feel a little bit bad. I was very aggressive in that email. That's fine. Anyways, like I said, I was very aggressive. That should be in the freaking 500s again after that. Your analysis was on point though, it's all good. I know, but normally I'm too like hesitant, and this one I was like, no, this is it, it's good, let's go for it. And then that happened. I'm grumpy. Anyways, forget about it, buy a new thing, might get trades, push forward. Eat with David, that's valid. Maybe I should just be like, you know what, actually just keep it. Keep it, breach. I'm done. Don't want to trade with you guys anymore. Should Loki get a free account or free reset? But literally, guys, I can send them the video footage. I think that's the best part. I can actually send them video footage of the fact that I was in this trade and it would have been a win. I should give you a free eval account. You know what? Maybe they should. Maybe I should be like, listen, yeah. I mean, like I said, I feel a little bit aggressive. I was like, I addressed this issue yesterday. We literally spoke about this yesterday and it just happened again. I wasn't even in drawdown. If it had gone into the red, I would have been like, no, even then. I'm over $100 away from breaching this contract. I'm fine. I'm fine. You guys are correct. Let's look at the plus side. That was a banger trade. Would have been a banger trade. I would have been up $100. I mean, I went up $20. That's something, I guess. That's a 50 piece. OTT. Oh man, it's okay. Well, okay, it's not okay. Let's see. I'll wait for them to come back. If you see me go very quiet, it's because I'm then reading my email. Anyways. What is trading without a little bit of drama to it, right? Atlanta, you tricked me. What did I do? I was so excited about that trade, and it was such a good everything. Everything was so good for it. I mean, that engulfing, and then it just went beautifully up, and I had 3 magnets. It's fine. And it is truly. What did I do? Atlanta, what did I do? Catch you guys later. Gotta go. Sorry, my they reimburse you. It's okay. Consider it. It's fine. Made 2k out of my 1.2k account this morning. Hey, Lego, that's good. Well done. Whoop whoop. Let's look at the bright side. I am $20 up, so that's green is green. So for anyone that did get a green, whoop whoop, well done. Green is green. I'm gonna just try to be positive. I don't think you guys have ever seen me that angry. I'm so sorry. I'm not normally an angry person. Yeah. I'm gonna send that it would have been a winning trade as well. So they've I'll give them that they respond quickly. I'll give them that. They do respond very quickly. Okie dokie. Sorry guys, sorry. We love seeing you angry. Let the head flip. And let it make you stronger. If that happened to me, I would have slammed my keyboard so damn hard. I guess I kept my cool. I kept my cool, guys. Do you think this is gonna go bob to bob again? No ways. Isn't that pushing it? I mean, this is pretty freaking solid. Just below that doji. If it does, again, twice times, that's insane. But I mean, that is a freaking monster of an engulfing candle. Who's trading this right now? I'm sure it's gonna work now anyway to test with the micro trade. To be fair, all the trades I've been taking are freaking micro trades. What's up? Just $100 up there. Unless you get eaten by a shark. Thanks, Atlanta. That buy side liquidity. It's gonna sweep that buy side at 967. Oh, see, I didn't mark out that one. Oh. Okay. So Bob, do you mark out all of these little ones? I used to do that, and then someone named Bob, whoever that guy is. What did you used to say? Let me actually find my notepads. My notebook. Wait, what did you used to say my chart looked like? Shoot. Something about a cokehead. More lines than a cokehead. Oh man, I can't find it. Oh no! I think you said it before I started making this Bob chart. Damn! That was hilarious. I don't know if you remember saying that. Bob's a Bob. Would mark out 5-minute highs and lows, but anything lower than that isn't worth noting most of the time. Oh, interesting. Okay. If you anything below that is me. W on that run up to the 1 hour fair value gap, so I'm out for the day, looking to go collect my daughter. Life sound, whoop whoop. I might stalk this short if we get a proper sweep. The price action's actually really nice today. Whoop whoop to anyone else. Life sound. Seriously, well done. Well done, guys. Well done to whoever actually got in on this trade. I mean, I did get in on this trade, but just That's all. That's all I have to say about that one. You're watching me rage on live. I'm so sorry. At least I wasn't raging at the chart and letting the emotion of trading get to me. Let's go out on. Hey, Paul J? Paul? What's up, Paul? Peace out, guys. Sorry about the charts being... It's okay. I mean, to be fair, the charts weren't bad. Just stupid things. Anyways. Did Jim or I should forget what was going on. Let's talk the short again. Peace out, guys. Sorry about the chart. It's okay. What strategy do I trade? A combination strategy. I guess that would be one of the best ways to explain my strategy. It's more like a combination strategy. Combines some market auction theory, ICT, and SMC kind of plopped into one. Well done, everyone. Seriously, what a banger day. I thought so. I thought that today would either be disgustingly bad because of tomorrow being a holiday. Like when I say disgustingly bad, like just going sideways the whole time. Or it'd be crazy because people are trying to get their orders in, or orders, you know, get get out of orders. English, nailed it. Anyways, look at it go. This is what Bob marked out for today. Okay, the buy side. What chart is this? I can't see. Is this the 15-minute, Bob? Why does my chart never look like this? Yours always look so nice. Okay, so it did not come and retest, but this is still going up and away. Interesting. How many is not even one yet? Yeah, 1 year is coming up, people. And I must actually do that in That's a good point. Do you know what I need to do? On Discord, I'm going to send a message and be like, what thoughts on what we should do to celebrate 1 year of Teach Maya trading? Unfortunately, I know I'm saying this now, unfortunately, I'm actually not going to be here for the 14th of April, but I'm here for the 15th, so we can still do something on the 15th. So, Bulleters, apparently. Go have fun. Apparently the Bulls won. The Bulls came and took over. Well, let's see. They kind of look like they're faltering a little bit now. Okay. Oh, back in 2019, when ICT was super popular and was regarded as Holy Grail, its main concepts were change of character, liquidity sweep, and order block. What about fair value gaps, chill dude? April 15th is D-Day in America. What does that mean? Why? What happens on April 15th? What happens? Bob, now what? What is April 15th? What? So they got back to me so quickly, and I've sent like proof, and now they're not getting back. I know they know that they messed up. Someone in the background going, "Oh, I effed up." Anyways, it's fine. Hi there. I'm looking to get into trading. Where would you recommend I start? RJ Carbon, do you have Discord? Yes or no? That's what. Oh, got it. Atlanta, yeah, they kind of are. It's a bit frustrating, but I mean, what you gonna do about it, hey? Ah, okay, that's okay, RJ Carbon. I would say, unfortunately, I don't really have lots of videos. I have some videos explaining the basics, but not tons. I would say you just have to start with the basics, like what is a fair value gap, what is an order block, learn about, well, I mean the candles, what they represent, as well as what is... Oh my gosh. Sorry, all my energy went into that email. Market structure. That's it. Market structure. Oh, good grief. Okay. But then once you have that, and once you've done and researched some strategies, because I don't want to recommend strategies. Unfortunately, that's where you're kind of on your own. You have to figure out what strategy is going to work best for you based on who you are and what makes sense to you. But once you have a strategy, backtest it, paper trade it, you know, you can get TradingView and test your strategy, make sure you know how to, well, how to take the trade and the correct market condition, as well as what you specifically are looking for in the market to execute the trade correctly or your strategy correctly. Then I would personally, hey, look at that. Would have been another win. That's fun. Anyways, then I would personally say get yourself an evaluation or eval account, prop firm. Go to a prop firm. Sorry, my brain is completely confuddled because I'm so angry. Ugh. Okay. It's okay. Tomorrow's a holiday. Well, I will trade in New York. But let's see. So that would have been another win. Just an FYI, people. So I would then say a prop firm, do an eval account to make sure that you get the emotional side done and dusted, because the emotions and the psychology is the biggest challenge when it comes to trading. And then once you pass an eval, you get funded, and then once funded, you can start getting payouts and things like that. But yeah, I would just say it's a step-by-step process. Just study levels and how to identify. About it, night. Everyone, good luck for race. Cheers, Debbie. Enjoy. Catch up Tuesday. Where are you going to be on Monday? My brain freezing. No, hardcore. Sorry about that, RJ Corbin. Sorry that my brain's malfunctioning and itty bitty a little bit. Yeah. My brain is just malfunctioning because I'm upset. But that would have been another banger. That's fun. So would not have entered my level, but sure. Solid Bob to Bob level 2. Ooh, 2 Bob to Bob levels. I think the Bob to Bob levels might be done now. We might be a tad bit overexhausted. Overexhausted? Overstretched? Yeah, overexhausted. That works too. I was thinking about the eval thing. Yeah, what about it, Atlanta? Don't forget edge. Okay, chill dude, what's your definition of edge? I've had this discussion a few times. No, wait, didn't we discuss this yesterday? Isn't just the edge what makes your strategy work, or how you make your strategy work in the markets? Isn't that then your edge? I had to fund myself to learn. I was looking at the massive losses I took before things started turning around. Yeah, Atlanta. So the eval and the prop firms, just especially when you're learning, they are like a cushion while you're figuring things out. Like, I don't understand why you would straight away go live while you're still figuring things out. That is a lot of added pressure. And then you can just blow through your capital, and maybe you don't want to stop trading, but you have to because you've now run out of capital. So for me, the prop firms are just a way to safeguard your capital, basically. Hey, Andre, what's up? Am I trading gold? Nah, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Damn, my whole daily bias dead. No, TT, and you didn't get in. Hey, Joy of Travel, what's up? Like, mosquito bite itch? What did I miss? Did I say an itch? No entry for me. Sorry, OTT. OTT, no, you did. Well, I don't know if you saw what. Yeah, you did. You did see what happened. Sorry. Can you tell my brain is literally just going. Joy of Travel, you're in a long now. For me, it's when you have traded enough to remove emotion and have consistent risk-reward win rate relation. See, that's interesting, Chill Dude, because a lot of people would not say that's what an edge is. Who agrees with Chill Dude? Out of curiosity, right? Who agrees that an edge is when you have traded enough to remove emotion and have constant risk-reward win rate relation? That was a tongue twister. Try say that often. Risk-reward win rate relation. Risk-reward win rate relation. Risk-reward win... That's hard. So in other words, I learned the extremely stupid, idiotic, painful, financially crushing way, but it all worked out. I mean, Atlanta, I wouldn't put it like in so many words, but yeah. but yeah, a little bit. And well, again, I know some people might argue that no, you did it the correct. Again, trading is very much, everyone has their own method. Doesn't make anyone wrong or right. It is all person dependent. Such a nice day and I can't even trade. Oh, I'm upset. Oh, I'm upset. Oh, I'm an upsetty spaghetti. I'm a upsetty spaghetti. I mean, look at this mother fluffer. Anyways, that's fine. And the future after I can tell myself nice. Do a prop firm next time. That's okay, Atlanta. I mean, I'm assuming you just trade live now, right? You set daily targets, and if so, is it a percentage based on your capital? Apologies if it doesn't make sense. I'm very green. RJ Carbon, yes and no. No. Okay, I know some people do. Some people have like a profit target, right? I actually have a loss limit, rather. For me, if I have 3 losing trades, I'm done for the day. And in general, actually, if I maybe have one, maybe if there's another really, really good setup, 2 trades. But if you're green, you're green. For me, at least. I know some people are different. I know Hammer, one of the amazing community members, he has like profit targets for the day. I don't think I'll be able to do that because it adds the pressure of, oh no, if you lose, almost double down, right? And that is the wrong way of thinking. Losses are bound to happen. Just make sure that you save your capital by having loss limits. The percentage based on your, well, with the eval account, you'll see you can get like 50k or 100k. It must be like 1% of your eval. I think like maximum, especially if you're figuring it out. Like for me, not right now, but in general, I would only trade $200 per trade. I will not go over that for that reason of protect capital. But if you win, it's a good one. If you don't win, you're still fine. Nice, Daddy Stocks. How you doing? I have a background in C-suite management, so I figured I could take those same skills and apply them to trading, which I think ultimately is helping me or has helped me cope with the stress part. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool, Atlanta. Besides, I do things like meditate in the morning, a stretch I go out to make sure my mind is the correct mindset every day before trading. I think that may help. Do you go for like a run or anything, or is that more... Spectral Gaming, what's up? Is your loss limit based on your balance? No, it's based on, they've gone very silent. Anyways. No, it's based off of my account size. So I have a 50k account. Market's so windy, it go up and down. I love it. Yeah, for me, exercise helps. Exercise helps the mind. Well, that was disappointing. And Bob's Bob back down might not be the worst thing. Around there. At the top. Give it a few points above. Don't be too greedy. Alright. Well, we're just forward testing. Let's see if that works. I don't know if I would have quite taken this exactly, but let's go with it, right? A 1 to 2 hour trade, not bad. Atlanta, I walk my dog, nice. Oh, so pumped. Let's see. Yeah, I think this might go bob back down. Pythagorean. Whoa, wasn't this account at 50k last week? No, definitely not. Can tell you that one for a fact. It was definitely not at 50k last week. As a demo real. This is a funded account, but I guess technically that's in demo, right? I put it in Discord kind of cool. Maybe I'll add pics. Sorry guys, I'm waiting for a response. I can't actually take a trade. I'm very, very upset right now, but it's okay. Let's still, guess we can get some forward testing done, right? Root, you don't understand my anger right now, but it's fine. I'm waiting for responses. Yeah. Hello, it's just a set of rules that prevents you from F-up. Tutu! This is why it's so interesting. I wonder... Maybe I must make a video on that. What does everyone think an edge is? Because I have heard a bucket load of different answers about what people think an edge is. I'm looking for a sell against this massive buy pressure. Wait, you are, chill dude? What do you mean demo? It's like you pay your own and you trade with someone else's demo? Claudie, no, it's why prop firms are just, I personally like them. You protect your capital. You pay a certain amount for like a 50k account. You have to earn a certain amount before you can start getting payouts, but it also gives you wiggle room. So like I can lose up to $2,000, but it's not $2,000 coming out of my bank account. You know, you pay for the prop firm, you pay for the account, and voila. But once you pass a certain stage, then you can actually start getting a payout. Re-entry the same level. Cool. Hey Vaza, what's up? I trade by one rule, YOLO. You know what?
Nice.
Dom, I can't take a trade. Sorry, I was just thinking, I was like, wow, actually people be testing me today. Today is a very interesting day for me. People be testing me. I'm in a really good mood, but people are doing things that are making me want to snack someone. The market will still exist. I like that route. That's valid. Hey, Jumaleng, what's up? How are you doing? I love the accent, but it does make me homesick. RJ Carbon, where are you from? I'm going to try a demo. Ooh! With which prop firm? Go fun. I mean, you must just do your research, make sure that it's the one that you want, right? There's so many out there, so you just have to make sure you're with the good one. I'm on. Man who needs cookies? That is adorable. By the way, mad respect for that name. That is super duper cute. So sad. So sad. It's a sad, sad situation. Da, 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 da. Anywheres. Well, this is such nice price action. I can't trade it. What? That is so cool, RJ. What part of Joburg were you from, by the way? And why did you move to the UK? Out of curiosity. Purely curious. I know a lot of people move, but I've heard that a lot of people move, but a lot of people then tend to move back. Not everyone, obviously, but a lot of people tend to move back. Matter of fact, so many rich people are making so much money off the market, it's not going anywhere. Based off that fact alone. True. Okay, well, it appears that we have run out of a little bit of steam here, which is fine. Which of steam has run out? Oh, it looks like we're going back up. It appears that the markets are going up, up, and away. Hey, Srini? This is the Nasdaq futures. The MNQ, if you want to be super specific. So the micro Nasdaq futures. And let me just shrink that. Oh, this is going up, 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 and away. Damn, okay, so that one would not have worked. Decent engulfing, but then it just went nah. The buyers are just on fire today. I'm so upset. It's fine. What other buy side liquidity have we got up here? Oh, damn. Okay, it's filling this imbalance. Ah! I did say that New York might be the reversal. Ah, hold it. Holy guacamole. Sorry, I'm probably having a little sulk right now. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. There's nothing you can do about it. There's nothing you can do about it. Just keep on going. Do you think Maya... Huh? British? What? What? What do you mean? Boxburg. Oh my goodness, you're from Boxburg? That's rough. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Everyone's so mean about Boxburg. I did up some pics on Discord showing my results. So, you know, it's a new app style of selling. Hey Mirix, what's up? How we doing? How we doing? Anyone that's just hopped on? Not that one.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Okay. No, I'll give it a minute so that you guys see that this is... I was gonna say is that you guys can see that this is a normal trading channel, but that's a lie. It's not normal here. It's fun here. Don't get me wrong. It's lots and lots of fun. Okay. So, oh my gosh, Bob's Bob again. Sorry, I know I'm going so quiet. It's going for that second, but it really, really is. Oh, hey, Alex. Nice, and tapped. Bro! Did you take that trade, Bob? This is such a nice market today. Yes. The symbol looks like this. Wait, let it load. Oh no. Wi-Fi is having a freak out. There we go. MNQ1. MNQ1 with an exclamation mark. That's the symbol. And Asia High taken. Am I looking for another entry? No, Murex, I can't take trade. To say that I am grumpy is an understatement, but that's okay. Hell no. Oh, okay, my bad. They still have not gotten back to me. Let's see what happens. Downtrend on forming candle. Hey John, what's up? 2 wins for me on your live stream. Nice, that's cool. So what I wanted to do is butterfly of the day. But this market is just too juicy to do it yet. So I'll do butterfly of the day a little bit later. So relative equal highs and Asia high just taken. This was some juicy buy side liquidity. If we do have a big turnaround now, I would not be surprised. See if this is another bob to bob. I'm so upset right now. It's fine, I'll get over it. Finally her. Oh, OTT, so you weren't able to take any of these? Oh, to be fair, I don't know if you would have had an entry with your model. Not actually sure if you would have. My trading went down the river. What happened? Go have fun?
Emotional damage.
Okie dokie, are we ready for some 15-minute chart? Damn. This is Bob's chart, by the way. Do we think it's gonna go for the high? No, at what's that? Around hovering it over like I could see. Around 350. Obviously, well, maybe a little bit of a retest. Oh no, actually it's taken everything I was kind of interested in taking. So I was correct. On the daily it tapped into those inverse fair value gaps and now it just shot off. Very interesting. How do I send a message? No idea. Like this? Go into messages? I don't know. Hey NXS Benno, how much profit today? Do you know what? I should have been in a whole lot more profit than I am in today, but let's see, they have yet to answer me. I think they're scared. Again, I kind of feel bad, but I don't feel bad at the same time. So my phone had 0 entry. This way I gotta get a swing account because most of the time, like 60 of the time, my bias is right. I'm so sorry. But pair, sorry, this is not a pair. Sorry, John, this is the Nasdaq futures. Daddy stocks people don't bet you. I'll show. Thank you. Breaking around drafting protocol. Oh, that makes sense. Thanks, OTT. Merrick's not trading a currency pair. This is the Nasdaq futures right here. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. Look, some of these candles are huge. Oh my gosh. Okie dokie then. To have traveled. Maya, one question, how do you get Bob's levels? Bob level? Bob level. Bob is the freaking... I'm gonna say goat. Wait. Bob is the freaking goat. So Bob is the greatest of all time. That's what goat means, just by the way. So Bob actually sent a message earlier. So this is Bob. Go into his thing. Hi, I'm Bob from Teach Maya Trading on YouTube. All my levels indicators are completely free. So they are actually indicators. That is how you would get them. Let's see. Bob says this one. So Bob's levels NQ. There we go. Bob's levels NQ, Bob's levels silver, Bob's gold rush levels. Just look for KE5MQW. Oh, there we go. Oh, here's the gold rush levels. Got them. No, wait. I'm just being an idiot. Silver levels, yep. OTT! Auntie. Okay, that's rude. Bruh.
Emotional damage.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I lied. The NQ is private until you reach 25k subs. Ah. Okay, so there's some motivation for everybody. If you guys want the secret sauce NQ levels, gotta try and push for 25k subs. Only a few more to go. What broker do you use? Sure, let's not even go there right now because I'm not super happy with them. Sorry, my bad. My bad. At 20k subs, I'll open the ES levels. Ah! I take it back, guys. Sorry. Bob, make sure. So you can get gold and silver Bob levels. At 20k subs, he'll open the ES levels. At 25k subs, he'll open the NQ levels. That's a good deal. That's a solid deal. Sorry, I got ahead of myself. Them ES levels gonna be generational. I love it. Mother fluffers, respond please. They still have not responded. Anyways. $10.45. Okay, I see we've died down a little bit, which means y'all are gonna judge me, but we're gonna do some Buddha fly of the day quickly. Now that the volatility has calmed down slightly. Let's do this. Let's do butterfly of the day. The one this morning, yeah, it was okay. That one. Oh no, we've done this one. That one. Oh. Okay, you guys got one of the best ones that we have gotten so far. Are you guys ready for this? Okay. Well, it looks like I'll try that again. I gotta go back to the charts. Let me redo this. Why are things not working for me today? I'm not a robot. Select all the images that are motorcycles. I mean, that's a scooter. Does it count? Does a scooter count as a motorcycle? Oh, apparently it does. Okay. Anyways, now we can go back. This is the butterfly of the day today. he cool as heck. How beautiful, how butterfly-ful, how beautiful, Oh, I've lost my mind today. Today is the day. This is how we go. Okay, so he's called the Eyed Pansy, which is a little bit rude, calling him a pansy. Anyway, so his wingspan is 35 to 48 millimeters. He is strongly territorial, which is terrifying. If I had to get chased by a butterfly, that would be so funny. Imagine. Okay, anyway, sorry. So distribution, widespread but uncommon, mostly inland, savanna and grassland from the Eastern Cape to KwaZulu-Natal, Swaziland, Mpumalanga, Limpopo and Northwest provinces, Gauteng, Free State and Northern Cape. So, okay, everywhere. Habitat is flatlands and hillsides. Flight period is year-round in warmer areas. Peaks August and November and Feb to May. So, oh my gosh, I'm going to have to try and attempt to say his Latin name. What on earth? Are you ready? Junonia Orithia madagascarensis. Madagascariensis. I did better with that than I thought I would. I thought that was it. I thought that's how I died. But anyways, how cool is he? That's a banger for today, if I do say so myself. He's cool as heck. Anyways, back to the charts. Okay, I see we're potentially still going bob to bob. Hey Roma, what's up? I go short now. Look at it. Let me guess. It's from Madagascar. Well, it didn't really say it's from Madagascar. These are all like butterflies of South Africa. Maybe they start there? I have no idea. That's a banger for today. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Okay, let's see if it breaks below. Oh, it's struggling. Oh, wait, it looks like it's kind of bull flagging. It's bull flagging, people. That's cool, that's cool. SpongeBob level. Okay. Still do not know how to identify a bull or bear flag. Atlanta, I'm not great at noticing it either, so I should not be the one to be like, yay! Or no, like I said, I'm not the best at identifying it either, so. Maybe this wasn't a bull flag. See? Now I'm like, I'm not too sure. I mean, it created so many imbalances. I wouldn't be surprised if this starts to do a bit of a retest now. Well, okay. At this point, I do not think I want to know. I mean, will it help with your trading in any way at all? Like, are those things that you think you would be looking for? If not, then it doesn't really matter, does it? I'm gonna keep going and see where we end up. There we go. Yeah, there's an imbalance. It left right above. It's gonna go up and fill it. Not sure why your chart is hiding it. What my imbalance? I'm not on the higher time frame. Oh, this imbalance up here. Ew. No, it took out these highs. It did tap into this imbalance. Do you think it's gonna fill all the way back up? Up to this New York high? What's that? Previous day? Yeah, previous day New York high. Or previous day high, rather. But now it's left so much imbalance to the sell side, so much imbalance. Like my brain. I'm asking if I have to do a backflip. Dylan, give up. I don't think so because I'm strictly reading volume market, supplement and things like that. Oh, then you know it's fine. Oh, then Atlanta, then don't confuse yourself. If what is working for you is working for you, don't go and add. You know, there's that saying, don't have too many cooks in the kitchen. It's for a reason. Don't go and overcomplicate things where you don't have to be if it's working for you. Sorry, I keep looking to see if they have responded. They have still not responded. That's okay. That's okay though. Anyways, I asked London and I have not asked you guys, what are your plans for the Easter weekend? Who's actually going to come and trade New York Open tomorrow? Yeah, basically what's everybody's plans? What's the, I'm going to say something very cringe, just deal with me. What's the happy haps? I told you cringe. Okay, I'm sorry. But hopes and dreams. I'm only looking for Atlanta, agreed, kill. See, the Wi-Fi is bugging out a little bit. Sorry about that, guys. Is it, or is the Wi-Fi fine? Hope it's all good. Do. Why is this not updating? I can see. There we go. There we go. Nope, it's still not updated. Seriously? Next impulse. Check position now. One pink Bugatti per backflip. So wait, Dylan, are you going to buy me a pink Bugatti if I do a backflip? Is that the deal? Apparently I don't have a current active live stream. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, let me close this. Let me reload this. Apparently my melty chat has decided that it no longer wants to melty or chat. Like the wrong thing. Okay. I'm not burn too much cash, which is gonna happen regardless. May or may not be. You know what? That was good. That was really, really good. I respect that. That was pretty fire. Good grief. To be fair, Hot Wheels are pretty cool, I guess. And back up. This would have been the entry when it came to retest, and then up and away we went. Actually, would that have been the entry? Let's see. Let's do a little bit of forward testy here. Nope, wrong one. Good grief, okay. Let's say we actually did this and we're like, that was a good one. Risk 1-to-1. Ooh, that's not even 1-to-1. Guess that would have been the better entry. Anyways. You get a car. What's up, OTT? Yeah, Dylan said he would get me a pink Bugatti if I did a backflip.
That's what she said. Michael.
There we go. It may or may not be Hot Wheels, though. I don't know if that counts. Will we allow that? Like, that feels like disrespect. Full port. OTT, I can't play the trade. I want. Not like I would full port if I could, but still. Okay, things are back to working. That was late. That's disappointing. That's okay. Respond to me. I know I'm scary, but respond. And on such a nice day to be trading, mother fluffers. Okay. Oh my gosh, where did the time go? Nearly like 5 p.m. for me. What? Where did the time go? Bob to Bob. Oh, you missed it, David. You missed it. Today I think is probably the angriest anyone has ever seen me. Which is impressive. Dylan, how's life been treating me? Well, I'm still here. Enough said. Anyways, Dylan, how about you? How have you been? What are your plans for the Easter weekend? The long weekend? Scorpio? What? Let me guess. Is your star sign a Scorpio? If not, that's hilarious. Scorpio, yeah, I do actually trade live. I just can't trade live right now because of reasons, but then I'm kind of forward testing. But yes, in general, I trade live every single day, both London and New York. I obviously won't be here for London tomorrow because, well, there ain't no London tomorrow because the markets are closed, but I will be here for the New York AM session because those are not closed. Sorry, I have hiccups. You're like a chihuahua. You think you're scary, but when you get angry, you're too adorable. Anyways, hectic. Well, I guess it's good that life is hectic. It means it ain't boring, right? We gotta look at the bright side. If it wasn't hectic, it would be boring. Take a look at Discord chat and you'll see why it went up there. Let me have a look. Time flies when you're having fun, missing out on take profit moments. Atlanta? That.
Emotional damage.
That was unnecessary. Anyways. Rude. On the... Did you post on the general? Wee! Good grief. There's a lot going on here. Okay, so see, we're going back down. Time flies when you're having... Above was another earthquake that hit Indonesia this time. Good grief. I could use some boring. You know what? I hear that. Some boring isn't the worst thing. This is just bouncing betwixt Bob levels right now. Is this creating an M? This might be creating an M. Miss Ping Pong, how was the day? Green or red? What the? Well, technically green. Technically it should be a lot more green, but it's in the green. Dylan, that's Awesome, well done. Kevin Designer, what's up? Go to Bay? What do you mean go to Bay? Baywatch? No, not Baywatch. Apparently they're making a new Baywatch, by the way. Oh. Wait, I do see. You're talking about that volume imbalance, but what time frame were you on? Toast? And were you on the NQ or were you on the MNQ? I'm calling you Toast because of this. I'm so sorry. 3D printing loot. There we go. Were you on the same time frame, number one, and number two, were you on MNQ or NQ? Because it does make a bit of a difference. 1 minute. Like both streams again. Not another. Oh, highlight. Whoop whoop. Okie dokie. Me thinks NQ. Ah, maybe that's why. That could be why. Whoop whoop to anyone that had a Green Day. Green Day. Whoop whoop whoop. Sorry, they're quite a they're a nice band. Ta-da! I can't lie, that last what I said was kind of funny. I didn't mean to sound rude though. Don't worry. You know that we are here to, as long as we're making fun of each other like in a fun way, we're not being serious about it. I don't care. Love. No. Atlanta, it was funny. Don't worry. Don't worry. We're allowed to tease each other as long as we're not being mean, like legitimately mean to one another. We are allowed to tease and poke and have fun with one another. That is, it's part of having like a community. This is the whole point of this. It's to have a community. You're supposed to have fun while doing this. Yes, it's serious, but you're supposed to have fun. You're supposed to have people you can like go to, maybe make some fun of here and there, as long as you're not being rude. Yeah, search for those on NQES, MES, MNQ, and trade them. It's super reliable. Yeah, 3D printing. So the volume imbalances, they're actually one of my confluences. Because they tend to reject off of them, right? So I tend to use volume imbalances, fair value gaps, the VWAP, 50% of the bob levels are pretty decent as well. Order blocks, I feel like I'm missing. Oh, and my shelves and shelves. The shelves have not been working too well lately. I think with all the wicks and things, it's, suggestion, if I may, go for it. Suggest away, Atlanta. Past 9 days have been green, thankfully. Nice. I'm waiting for the suggestion. I'm very curious now. Can we get another subscriber so it doesn't say 911, because my brain is a problem. And I'm a child. I promise it's a sell. Hello! Vic? I'm gonna call you Vic. I hope that's fine. Oh yeah, I have fun every day doing it. It's lots of entertainment around me at all times. Exactly, Atlanta. That's the way. So wait. I suggest you look beautiful. Oh, thank you. Seriously, I think you suggest... I'm confused. but it's okay. Wait, Atlanta, wait, what was the suggestion? Oh, before I get super deep into this, I'm trying to make sure my mental and stress level is always super low, because that's obviously what or when you perform best. That's valid, because then you're not going based off of emotions, you're just going based purely off of brain. Logic. That's what I was trying to say, but purely off of brain, sure. Oh gosh. What is your bias? I think it's run out of juice now. The bias might just be sideways until the PM session. In all honesty, I mean, shoot. this thing climbed. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Sorry, that was very lame. I'm so sorry. This thing climbed 587, let's say 588 points. Bloody hell. Yeah, nope. It went to the moon. It went to the moon. So if it lost a little bit of steam, I wouldn't be surprised. It low-key looks like it's forming a Mojo Jojo. I also cannot believe the Mojo Jojo has become a bit of a thing. But anyways. Okay, let's see. It does look like it's leaning more for a sell side now. Let's see. Do not quote me on that. Let's see if it works here. I've been using fewer bands on my own. I guess a combination of all of that. Okay. Let's just look at some of these little stocks in your technicals and see how they move because they are very, very consistent. Oh, interesting. I'm just gonna copy paste and then have a look at it. Good grief. Let me add it to my notes. Let me go check it out. Thanks, Atlanta. The market is built up by opportunities. What's up, Kevin? How you doing? What did it go up today after? What ridiculous. No, I think there was something else. What did OTT say happened? There was something else that happened. Where's OTT? Oh, shoot. I lost the chat. Oh gosh, she's mad at me. Am I? What? Why? I'm not mad at you. Hey, Vladimir, how you doing? Which index is it? Oh, well, indice. It is Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Do I have any plans for Easter? Dylan? Chinchill. Tomorrow I'll trade the New York AM session. I don't know if there's going to be lots of volume. Who knows? Might not be worth even taking a trade, but maybe there's something. So I'll hop on. See if there is. If there's not, I'll hop off early. Oh, I lied. I do have plans. Oh, I forgot. So Saturday there's like a little color run. You know, when you get people throwing colorful powder at you. So I'm going to do that on Saturday. That'll be quite nice. So that's Saturday. And I think that's about it. That's it for my Easter plans. I thought it would tank. Unka. Sorry, I haven't seen any of yours, Unka. Apologies about that. I thought it would tank. So Amazakane? I hope I said that correctly. I suspected a little bit of a bullish bias today, purely for the fact that on the daily it tapped into an inverse fair value gap. It did hit quite a few, actually on majority of the time frames, it tapped into a fair value gap. And we had to retrace or retest some of the imbalances. But that being said, it could have very easily just kept falling down, right? When is Easter and what do you do on Easter? Isn't Easter this weekend? Isn't it on Saturday? No, Sunday? Sunday is Easter? I think Sunday is Easter. And what do you do on Easter? You eat chocolate. That's about it. How's the live account going? Hey, Austin, what's up? It should be looking better. Trust, it's what I'm kind of waiting on. I may or may not have lost it at my prop firm just now. Anyways, that's a long story. I kind of feel bad, but I'm still waiting for a response from them. But it's still alive, Austin. Let's put it that way. Paul, do I play chess? Yes and no. I would like to play chess more. So that's the yes. The no part is I haven't played it in a while. And I'm not really good at it. Because I learned how to play at a much older age. Literally, I think I only learned how to play... What's it? 3 years ago? 3 or 4 years ago I learned how to play chess. I die quail eggs for Easter. That's cool. Wait, I think. do you give it to kids and then they think it's a real Easter egg? And if that is the case, that's mean. Just saying. I trade on Nifty. Ooh, I've heard Nifty's quite nice. Ran here to say Mojo Jojo. Microwave. Did you see it? I'm so proud of you. Did you see I already got it, Mojo Jojo? What did I trade this morning? What do you mean, what did I trade this morning? Like, what trade did I take this morning? So you were 45 when you start.
Emotional damage.
Paul? How old do you think I am? Bro, trader in motion, yes and no. Yeah. Yep, that's all I'm gonna say. Let's not make me angry again. Mine's instead of the voice takes things. Sometimes that's okay. Atlanta, I thought so. Don't worry. Just kidding. Full rude. Flipping her. I was like, oh my gosh. The only reason I look like that is because you guys are giving me WTF lines. Okay. No, I'd say 37. I'm being bullied. This is cyberbullying right now. Y'all are mean. Dude, don't trade on age, guess that you bad. That was funny. That was really, really good. Flip.
Nice.
That's fair. She's 25 or something. 27, turning 28. Like I said, I would say 18. Aw, you're a sweetie pie. If I look older, it's because you guys are giving me WTF lines. Okay. I hope you know what that is. Am I gonna cry after the stream? No, I'm not gonna cry. I'm angry. I don't cry when I'm angry. Most of the time. That was close. Yes, you were. Let me actually... Give me a second. Let me just tell someone something. Trade in motion, how old are you? 27? Yep. To be fair, you're always covered by chat. Valid. That's valid. Okay, how's it looking right now? 11:15. I think we've lost all of the oomph. I think this might go sideways at least until the PM session. If not, it's just gonna keep going sideways. What do you guys think? Do you agree? Disagree? Meh. Hey, Nene, what's up? How have you been? Long time no see. Well, yes or no? Longish time no see. How you doing? Looks done. I agree. Amazakine, I do agree. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I'm sorry. Been good. Hope all is well. Ah, Nene can't complain. Okay, she's 17, guys. This is why I have WTF lines. Did you see that? You're like, I'm 17. I'm like, no. Anyways, I got 3 trades, all wins, so I'm done. See you next week. I'm gonna enjoy a beer. Aw, 40 enjoy. So you guys aren't gonna join me tomorrow during New York Open? I might not be along. Let's see. You never know. It might be a banger over there. Be forewarned. Dun dun dun. I feel like dun 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 was valid though. Did you guys watch my video of me swimming with the fishies? I specifically posted it for you guys. Oh, my fishies! It's like the cookie guy. Amos? Who's the cookie guy? I trade futures, yes. The Nasdaq futures, to be specific. Well, okay. Micro. So MNQ, to be more specific. But yes. What's your thought on meme coins? Hey, Jordy, what's up? I don't have much. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. I know some people love them. Some people say do not go near them with like a 10-foot pole. So, yeah. What happened to night stream? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean what happened to night stream? Hey Matt, what's up? How you doing? How goes? I'm gonna...
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you guys are amazing. Yes, I was streaming early in the morning. Wait, what was I? I'm very confused. Sorry. So I stream twice a day, London and New York Open. I hope that answers that. Except for obviously tomorrow because there is no London session because it's closed for Good Friday. But I'll still be here for the New York Open. Purely out of curiosity because I've never seen what it does. How it reacts. Like maybe it'll be a good day, maybe it'll actually be just shocking and I'll be on for like 15 minutes ago. Nope. And that's it. You feel London? Oh yeah, London's been York. And it was so slow until I left and then it actually started to move nicely, which was rude. But the Maya effect is real. What do you do before trade? Like, what do I do before I come on and stream? Is that what you're saying? Normally, well, I'm at the horses, specifically in New York, and then in the morning I'll take my dog for a walk before the London session. Yeah, that's about it. What is, does everyone else have like a pre-market thing that they do? So I know Atlanta, sorry, not Atlanta. Atlanta, you do meditation and things to get your mind correct. Does anyone else do something to just help them get their mind right? Out of curiosity. Matt, long time. Oh, me no trade today, just chilling. I need some rest. I hear that. So then are you also gonna have like tomorrow off? Is everyone just chilling? Okay, I feel like the markets have dried up. Let me give this, what, 3 more minutes? Let's see how it reacts after 3 more minutes. Get some forward testing done, seeming as I can't even take a trade. Beep 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 beep. Hey! I don't think a lot of people, well, at least I think a lot of people are now done for New York AM. I think it's properly lunch and some people maybe left early. So I just goodness, sorry, I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna be a cheeky chops, because it's what I do. Okay, we are literally just pinballing between the bob levels right now. We are pinballing. Pinballing. Refresh this one last time. It's no. Oh, is it Noah? I did not know that. I did not know that. Ah, so lame. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for saying that. Blamey, always use higher time frame for whole wider picture. Yeet. I do agree. I do agree. I do agree. Okay. Guys. Boys. Guys and gals. I'ma call it. I think this is just pinballing between things. I think that was the whole move. I can't even take a trade because they've still not responded to me. I'll keep you guys posted with what they say. But I'm grumpy. Anyways. Let me then call it there. Like I said, won't be here tomorrow for London because, well, there is no London market because it's closed for Easter. Sad. But I will be here for New York AM session. At least the first bit. Let's see if it's worth it. Maybe there's something good. If there's not, it is what it is. But I'll still hop on because clearly I have too much fun doing this. I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining. Sorry, I'm a little bit moody. Like I said, I'll keep you posted on what they say. Yeah, I'm not very impressed, but it is what it is. What are you supposed to do about it? You just have to kind of wait and yeah, wait and see at this point. I love you guys madly. I will be back tomorrow, New York, not London. Okay, New York AM session. You guys are the best. Have an amazing Easter if you're not going to be trading. And if I'm not going to see you tomorrow, have an amazing Easter, an amazing weekend. I'll be back Monday. If I'm not seeing you tomorrow. Okay, I'll stop talking. You guys are awesome. See you then. Okay, trade safe.